Hello everyone, today we are unboxing Marshall Major 4 new wireless headphones from Marshall. As you probably saw, they are supposed to last for 80 plus hours just for one full charge. And here we are going to open the box. They have fancy flaps at the bottom with these tiny bits which are supposed to help you open it. It did work quite well for the first one. As you can see, I am just able to open it, even though it did break a little bit, but I did struggle a lot with the other one. It got stuck, so yeah, in the end I had to head off for the scissors, and yeah, that was what helped me to finally open the box. So now we are opening the box and we have a first look at the headphones itself. They are folded and stuck nicely into the package. It holds quite well, so I would say that yeah, they shouldn't get harmed during the transport. They arrived folded. It's fairly easy to unfold them. Yeah, as you can see now. And you can notice that one of the headphones has jack and USB-C inputs. Now we can have a look at the packaging and what else is there. Yeah, that's the box. It's a decent quality. There are two brochures. And the first one is legal and safety. There's not much information in there. The other one will be more useful. It's a quick start guide in many languages. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of pages but not that much information. Now it took me a little while to find out where exactly is all the other stuff hidden. There were cables missing and I found them in that secret compartment. There's a USB-C charging cable and jack cable. They look like they're of a decent quality, so yeah, they should do the job quite well. And that's all that's there. Have a look. So yeah, we saw all the content of the packaging. We have it placed nicely right here. Two cables, headphones itself, two brochures and the box. It all looks like it's a decent quality for the price. The headphones, as I said before, should last for 80 hours after one charge. It's possible to charge them also wirelessly. I will try to do some review a little later after I have time and chance to listen to them a little bit more. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.